GLP-1 and GIP. What is food noise? Hello and welcome back. If you are new here, I'm Toyke, and on this channel we are learning about GLP-1 and GIP therapies in a simple, practical way so it can make sense for everyone. That's me. As always, remember, I'm not a doctor, and this video is for educational purposes only and should not replace advice from your healthcare provider. Remember that. Today we're talking about something called food noise. Now, you may have heard people say the food noise is finally gone. But what does it mean? What does it actually mean? Now, food noise is the constant mental chatter about food in your mind. It's always there. Yep. It can sound like this. What should I eat next? Maybe I have a snack. I know I just ate, but I still want something sweet. And that is all food noise. What is in the fridge? That is food noise. For some people, these thoughts come and go. But for others, they can be present throughout the whole day. Constant, this chatter about food in your mind. Now, food noise isn't the same as physical hunger. And we must remember that. When that food noise starts in our mind, it's not the same as physical hunger. Physical hunger is your body's way of saying it needs nourishment. That is what physical hunger is. Food noise is more about your mind constantly thinking about food. Even when your body may not need to eat, that food noise is there. I need a snack. I need a chocolate. I need this. I need that. I need an ice cream. For many people using GLP-1 and GIP therapies, they report that this constant mental chatter about food becomes much quieter, which is awesome if GLP-1 and GIP can do it for you. Some say it's the first time in years they can walk past food without feeling drawn to it, which is also awesome. Others find it easier to make thoughtful food choices because they are no longer thinking about food and eating all day. Now, everyone's experience is different. We must remember it. And not everyone notices the same changes. And that is what we need to understand. Even if food noise becomes quieter, healthier habits still matter. It still matters. Choosing balanced meals is very important. Eating enough protein is very important because protein builds your muscles. Staying hydrated, drinking enough water, getting enough sleep, and managing stress all remain important parts of healthy lifestyles. And we must remember that. It's also important to remember that food brings more than nutrition to your body. We celebrate with food. We comfort ourselves with food. We gather family gatherings around food. Learning to recognize these habits can be just as important as learning about hunger. We must remember it. It is very important. One thing I've learned through my own health journey is that lasting results doesn't happen overnight. Lasting change doesn't happen overnight. No. It happens from small, constant choices that add up over time. And that is important to remember this. If your relationship with food has been difficult, don't lose hope. Don't lose hope. Every positive step forward is something to celebrate. In our next lesson, we are going to talk about the biggest mistakes people make on GLP-1 and GIP therapies. And more importantly, how you can avoid them. And that's very important to understand as well. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with someone who may need it. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. And don't forget to download your free GLP-1 and GIP introduction guide. The link is in the description of this video. Now remember, as always, I'm not a doctor, And thank you so much for listening and watching this video. And I'll see you in the next lesson where we're going to look at the mistakes people make on GLP-1 and GIP therapies. Remember to download your free PDF.